lovelies, what is up? Alanis here with Blushington, and today I want to teach you guys how versatile products can be. We get so caught up with product names that we don't even realize how blush can be eyeshadow and how mascara can be liner, and everything can really just become one. But to prove my case, I did my entire face with 3 products. I don't want to spoil anything, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. So today I'm doing the majority of my face using these concealers right here. These are from Jouer. They're the high coverage concealers, and I'm going to use them as foundation, concealer, eye primer, contour, and a little bit of highlighting underneath my eyes. So moving on to blush, we're going to take PYT's lipstick, and this is actually a trick that I learned from Steffi Marin, our founder. Using the lipstick end of Bare All, I'm actually just gonna put that on my finger and then dab it onto my cheeks. And for the tiniest bit of sheen on the cheek, I'm taking the gloss end. I'm just gonna dab that right on top of that. And I'm feeling a bit wild, so I'm gonna apply this onto my eyelids as well. I wanna go for that super monochromatic look. The blush, the eyes, the lips, all of it the same shade. And to avoid creasing on my eyes, I'm just gonna stick with the cream, not the gloss. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna show you how versatile this little product can be. So I'm gonna use them just as powders on my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna show you how to use it as liner too. So taking this taupey shade right here. Cool, brows are all finished. Moving on to liner. It literally says it on the packaging, wet/dry convertible powder/pomade duo. So what that means is that if you wet the product, it can double up as a pomade consistency/eyeliner. And lastly, to finish the look off, we're taking Bare All once again and applying it onto our lips. And that is it, you guys. This whole entire look was completed with 3 products: the PYT lipstick, the Jouer concealers, and the TheBrowGal powders. That's insane. So if you ever find yourself stranded on an island and they give you those 3 options of products you can choose from, these should be them.